Okay, so good evening. I'm starting with the online demo. See, just let's assume कि this is my heart. Okay, so coming on to the basic things, this is the right atrium, this is my right ventricle, this is okay. So next thing which I'm starting is with function. Okay, let's assume from this is my heart. This is how the heart looks like, right? And it is divided into how many chambers? It is divided into total 4 chambers. This is my 4 chambers. In this 4 chamber, this is my right hand side, this is my right hand side, this is my left hand side. This is right atrium, this is right ventricle, this is left atrium, this is left ventricle. Okay, now we'll see how are the connections of this all things. See, for right atrium, okay, for right atrium, right atrium is connected to superior and inferior vena cava. Okay, superior vena cava, and it is connected to inferior vena cava. Okay, superior inferior vena cava. So SVC and IVC. This is how it looks. Superior vena cava, inferior vena cava means all the blood that is deoxygenated from upper body, and from here inferior vena cava, all the deoxygenated blood from lower body comes into this right atrium, and from this right atrium it enters into the right ventricle. Right ventricle is connected to the pulmonary, that is lungs. Okay, this is my PA. The PA stands for pulmonary artery. Okay, and similarly this is my, from pulmonary lungs it goes to the left atrium as a pulmonary veins. The PV stands for pulmonary veins. Okay, this is how it is. See, this is how it looks, the human heart. It is the size of human fist. Okay, so this is my chemistry demo lecture on pentab. This is my pentab. I'm starting with the lecture. So in this lecture we will be learning about the types of chemical reactions. Okay, so let's start. See, types of chemical reaction. So we have all 4 types of chemical reactions. 4 types. In this, the first is synthesis, second is decomposition reaction, single displacement, and this is my double displacement reaction. So starting with the synthesis reaction, first reaction, this is my first reaction, synthesis. Synthesis is simply we have to combine. It is also called as combination. Reaction. Okay, in this combination reaction, simply what happens is A will mix with my B to give me a product called AB. So simply what we are doing is we are just combining it. Example is hydrogen H2 plus O2 is giving me H2O, means this is a synthesis of water molecule. Okay, now see here decomposition. See, decomposition simply is how you have to remember is breakup. See this couple, this got broke up, right? So this is how the decomposition takes place, where two products, this AB, this one whole product is getting break into A and B. Simply this is opposite of both, means a synthesis is the opposite of decomposition, where here the product is formed and here the product is broked, A plus B. How we have to remember? H2O, H2O. Here it is formation, here it is breaking, here it is breaking of H2 molecule into H2 plus and O2. Okay, next thing, see, this is my single displacement, here is my double displacement. See, the only thing is we have only one element over here which will be displacing this thing, and here we have two elements which will get displaced on each other's place. Fine. Note, this is a big note: a metal can only replace a metal, and a non-metal can only replace a non-metal. This is which I have took because it is a MCQ, very important MCQ. It is in the form of MCQ format, that a metal can only replace a metal. Also it can come for true or false, that they can ask whether a metal will replace a metal or a non-metal. So you have to remember these things. See this thing, this was one couple, this was another boy, this girl got replaced with another boy and he got sad. So single displacement, and here is a double displacement, both of them are getting displaced by each other. See these things, AB plus CD is giving AD plus CB. See, lead nitrate plus potassium iodide, both of them got displaced with C. PB got displaced with I, so PBI, and KNO3 got left. So this is where the 2 plus 2 element takes place. Here only 1 plus 2 elements takes place. This is how the double displacement reaction occurs actually. Okay, one thing which I have to show you is how we can, not only through this PPTs as well as directly on the lectures, we can also do it online like this. See, if you want to do some reactions, let's say synthesis reactions, okay, methanol synthesis. So this is how you can see this reaction is given. See, return to main menu is also given. You simply have to do what? This is 3H2 and CO2. So what you have to do, you just have to make this molecule come down. Then this hydrogen, there are how many hydrogens? There are total 3 hydrogens, right? So 3 hydrogens means you have to take 3 hydrogen molecules. Wait, one more hydrogen I have to take. This is how, and one more. This is how the molecules of this looks like, methanol. See this. You can also cut short it like this. See, this is not only for bond breakings and makings, you can do anything with this. See this. See, if you want to show this thing, you can also put over here